Mmm. Mmm. Today I have ramen with some blackberry citrus seltzer water. Mmm. You want to see? I mixed it up. It's gonna be so good. It's like a rainy day outside today, and I just wanted something like warm soup. This ramen, it's like the udon style noodles. Mmm. Mmm. It's a little spicy. My egg is a little bit overcooked, but I don't care. Mmm. I put shrimp in here, mushrooms. There's a piece of corn in here somewhere. Mmm. It's so good. Just mixing up some of the egg yolk. There's shrimp in here, mushrooms, green onion, egg. Mmm. 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 They're out here like dirt biking. Excuse me, y'all. Mmm. Yes. Mmm. Mmm. Yo, let me tell you about this shrimp. One day I went into the Kroger. I was feeling myself. I was popping that day. I just got my nails done. I was getting ready to go on my trip. I was feeling myself. And I was on a mission because I really wanted these crab legs. So I went into the Kroger. I love me some crab legs, y'all. I went into the Kroger and went up to the seafood counter. He was like, "Ooh, ma'am, you're so beautiful. You look like you're on a mission." Sir, I am. He was like, "What can I help you with?" I said, "There's like 3 or 4 clusters left of the crab legs." I was like, "Ooh, there's not a price on these crab legs, but I really want these crab legs." It's spicy, y'all. And he was like, "Well, how much you want for them?" And I was like, "How much you gonna give them to me for?" He rang them up. Boop, 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 boop. He gave me like 4 pounds of crab legs for like $5.99. I was in hog heaven. I was in hog heaven that day. I went home and ate all the crab legs. I was on a budget, but since he gave me them crab legs, all those crab legs for like $5 or $6, I went and got me some potatoes. I got me some corn, and then I also got me some shrimp from the market too, from the seafood counter. And I was like, shit, like this is way below my budget. So I got the big ones too. I got some of those. I got a pound of them, and they were left over. I broke them up into like four packages. I broke it up into like 4 little things and froze them. So, excuse me, y'all. It's spicy. So, I've been cooking with shrimp just everywhere. But today, I was like, ooh, I'm gonna put this in my ramen. Oh, it's spicy. That's so good. Mmm. Damn. Damn, Gina. I'm being nosy. I'm looking out the window. Mmm. Ooh. Mmm. That bite was hot with heat. Oh, burn my damn mouth. Ooh. This is so damn good. This Kroger brand seltzer water, blackberry citrus. Oh, that's everything. I forgot I had this corn in here. Mmm. 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 I'm gonna save it for later. Mmm, this egg, I cooked it, I overcooked it a little bit. Mmm, it's okay though. I'm okay with it. I'm gonna turn this up. Today I'm supposed to be having a movie night with my friend. And it's at my house. Because they have the cool apartment, apparently. That's what they say. And I think I'm gonna make some homemade pizzas. Like I'm about to, when I get done eating this, I'm gonna make the dough. And I'm gonna go to the store. Lillian. That's my cat, y'all. What was I saying? Damn, what was I saying? Excuse me. When I leave here, well, no, when I'm done eating this, I'm gonna make that dough. And then I will go get some mozzarella cheese. I got everything else except for mozzarella cheese. So, we'll get some mozzarella cheese. And we can have our own little pizzas. I got everything else. I got veggies. I got sauce. I got meat. I got meat. I got sausage. Got some chicken we can put on there. I can do some hamburger. I think I might need to get some pepperonis. Oh my gosh. Look at this, y'all. It's so good. This is like a bite of everything. Let me put a piece of egg on there. A piece of egg on there. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I tripped on the table. Mmm. 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 Why are you eating with a spoon and chopsticks? Because I want the soup. I want the soup. It's like a nice little rainy day. Mmm. Mmm. These shrimp are so big, y'all. It fills up this whole big ass spoon. Mmm. These mushrooms are good. I cooked all the I cooked everything in the broth except for the obviously the except for the egg. But I put the mushrooms in there. I put the shrimp in there and let it cook up. Yeah, that is what it is. So I want y'all's opinion. Tell me, excuse me. Tell me how y'all feeling. What do you think is worse? The way that our generation uses the word love, or the negative power that our generation has given love? What do I mean by that? Let me tell you. Ooh, my egg. Mmm. Me and my friend were talking. And I was like, you know, we use love in the completely wrong way. I love this. I love that. I love you. Love, 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 love. And it's like we devalue it. We're devaluing it. Oh my God, I love this ramen. I'm still working on it because I told myself I was going to change my perception. But we don't give it the power that it needs. But the power that we give it, my friend brought up, it's on the negative side. It's how we use it is what's sad. Like we can say ILY to somebody, right? And they might get mad because, ooh, focus on me, yeah. We focused, yeah. They can say ILY or ILUV, ILUVU, or whatever, however they say it. And like somebody will take offense to that, like, oh, so like, why can't you say you love me? Like they want the ILOVEYOU. And I was like, damn girl, like you're right. Like people put that negative, it gives it power when it comes to the negative. How come you didn't say you loved me? How come you haven't said you loved me? How come we have to say these things to make people feel that we love them? Excuse me. Like, why can't simply knowing that you mean a lot to me and that you know that I love you, how come I have to say it every time that we end an interaction or we end this or we end that? People's argument, well, oh, it's a crazy world out there, okay? That could be the last time I say I love you, okay? It's not gonna affect me because I know that you love me. I know that you would do anything for me. So you telling me at the end of every conversation or at the end of every interaction is, it's like we need that constant validation. And I think that's why, like, I definitely am changing my perception of love and how I give love and how I show love. Like, I can care for you, but that doesn't mean that I love you. I can love you and show you affection, but I don't need to say I love you, because you know that. Yeah, like, I think that with me, what's more powerful is if we're just randomly sitting there chit-chatting or whatever, and then, you know, you're like, damn, like, I love you. Like, that's more meaningful to me than, like, good night, I love you. Or, okay, I'll talk to you later, love you. Like, it's like a sincerely, like, that's how we use love now, like, in conversation. Instead of, I'm trying to get this juice, y'all. Instead of, you know, like, farewell, it's like, I love you. Like, it's to the point, and this is when I knew I needed to change my perception of love and how I said it and who I said it to and when I said it, is because I was on the phone with my boss and we're chit-chatting, you know, and, you know, I'm pretty comfortable with my boss, like, and I was like, okay, that's great, I'll see you tomorrow, love you, bye. And I knew, crazy, right? Like, everybody's like, damn, you said that to your boss, like, fuck. Like, I knew that, like, I needed to change my ways in that moment, but then I also realized that it's not just me, it's a society thing. Because then she responded, okay, sounds good, I love you too. Because it's just a natural reaction that we have. And that's when I was like, something's gotta change. Like, something's gotta change. And then like, we both laughed and we caught ourselves, and I was like, I'm so sorry, like, I didn't mean to say that. And she was like, no, like, it's okay, like, I just said it back because it's like habit and stuff like that. And I was like, so we're making love a habit. And that's my problem. We are, like, devaluing it. We use it, we're giving it more of negative power than positive power. It's something that we just say because I gotta tilt this bowl, y'all. That's something we say just because it's an exiting, it's a salutation, you know? And that, I'm not okay with. I want to change that, at least in my life. I want, when I say I love you, to be more valuable. I want people around me to know that when I say I love them, that it's more valuable. I'm not gonna lie, since I started, like, practicing it and doing it, like, some of my friends have felt some kind of way, but I explained to them, and then they realized, and they were like, damn, like, you're right. And they were like, I'm still gonna say that shit to you. And I was like, that's fine. Like, I know that you love me, and I know that you know you love me, but I want, when I say that I love you, I want it to have more value. So at first it was a little bit different for them, but they understand me. They know me. Like, they know my love. It hasn't changed for them or anything like that. That shrimp is so big. They know that my love or anything like that hasn't changed for them. But, excuse me, they respect it more now that they have an understanding. But I think it's just a societal thing. Like, I don't even know if that's a word, y'all. I don't know. That's just my opinion on it. And it's starting to become a conversation with my friends, and, like, all because of this interaction that I had with my boss. Now, like, they're like, damn, I do just say it just because, like, I'm expected it. I'm expected to say that. The person on the other end of the phone is expecting to hear me say, okay, bye, I love you. Nothing's wrong with it. I just want the love that I give Or when I say I love you to have more meaning. That's not for everybody. My him. This damn corn. I should have put 2 of these in here. I was like, no, I want to have this soupy broth. Y'all, it's cold outside. It's cold outside. I live where it's not supposed to be cold outside, y'all. I live where it's hot year round. Supposed to be. Earlier this week, when I tell you, it was like 80 degrees. I went to work, it was like 80 degrees at 6 in the morning. Then I got off, it was like 40 degrees. It's not supposed to be cold here. Y'all better stop fucking with Mother Nature. I said that because I saw these people. I saw these people bundle up. We are not used to this cold out here. Like, when it gets 60 degrees out here, whoo! And I didn't realize it until I moved here. I used to talk so much shit until I moved here. Like, it might be 60 degrees might be hot where you're from. It might sound good. 60 degrees is cold. It's cold. It's cold. 70 degrees is a little chilly. Like, I'll wear a jacket. But it's funny. As soon as the temperature drops, we get out our big puffy coats. We get out our gloves, our super thick cozy socks. Those headband ear warmers. It's cold to us. My brother came. My brothers came. We have a family trip every year. My brothers came. My brothers came. Woo! That was a good one. My brothers came for our family trip that we have every year. We have a sibling trip. And this winter, like where I'm from Maryland, so like the winters are winter. They came down here and were laughing at me. I told them, oh, it's chilly, it's 65. It's like, it's, you know, 60, 65 degrees, bring a jacket. And they were like, what? They came in shorts. They brought like one maybe zip up hoodie. And I was bundled up head to toe, as it was too damn cold for me. And everywhere that we went, I live in the South, and you know, there is Southern hospitality, so like, they don't give a damn. They're gonna talk to you regardless. They don't care. And they were like, y'all must not be from here. I was like, no, they're not, but it's cold. I'm not either, but my blood is thinner now, I guess. This juice is good and spicy. Thumbnail, my bad. Like, my bad. I want to do maybe a mukbang with B Love sauce. I love her so much. She's one of my favorite mukbangers. This is the thing though, like, before mukbang was acceptable to watch, I remember I used to watch mukbangs when it was like Mommy Tang, when Kimmy, before Kimmy got big, Kimmy. When I don't even Sticky Dumpling, like those like they're not really mukbangs, but I consider them like all of these eating show, Mark Wiens, like when they were just now getting hot and fresh, like that's when I used to watch mukbangs. And all my friends would be like, yo, that is so weird, you watching people eat, and like what does it do? And I'm like, I don't know, like I just love it. And now I'm telling you, at least once or twice a week, we all get together and we cast the like, oh, B-Lo put out a new one, let's watch this. Excuse me, Timmy Tomatoes, and like we watch so many different people. Excuse me. Ooh, this seltzer water got me burping, y'all. I'm sorry. Even what is her name? Oh my gosh, I probably look crazy trying to figure it out. What is her name? She's another black girl. I love her. Cutie Q. Cutie Q. I was getting to YouTube to figure it out. Or Cutie Q. I don't know. But her smacking and her burping, like, she be getting it. Like, she don't give a fuck. I love it. I don't want to say her name wrong. I think it's Q. Something with Q. Eat with Q. I love when she be smacking, like, oh, that shit. And B-Love, like, she's probably, like, one of my favorite. Like, her and Mommy Tang, they're probably, like, my two favorite mukbangers. I do also like the ASMR with, Pink ASMR. And then I also do, I'm looking right now, when people, like, when I start talking about it, I always have to look because I never know. Yeah, like I love it. I love it. I've always liked it. Everybody always told me I was weird. I don't give a damn. Stephanie So, I also like her. Sass, yes. But B-Love is probably one of my favorite. Her and Mommy Tang. It's something about Mommy Tang, it's just like, she is my, like, I'm an OG. I'm OG Tang gang. There's something about them, I like them. I didn't watch the Super Bowl this year. But like, here's the thing. I'm not like an annual Super Bowl watcher. If my team's not playing in it, or I'm not at a Super Bowl party, or it's not on my birthday, because normally the Super Bowl is on my birthday, I don't bother. I will literally watch it for the commercial, and then when the game comes back on, I leave. I change the channel. But this year I didn't even do that. I was so hungover this Super Bowl. Don't even go. That's for a whole nother day. Don't even get me started. I'm trying to get this juice, y'all. Oh, it's so good. I had a lot of good content today and I'm really happy about it. Y'all, it's so cold. Oh. Y'all, it's so cold I had to turn on my damn heat. My smoke detector went off. Because, like, normally it does. Oh shit. Normally it doesn't get this cold. This lady and her damn dog. I'm like Rosie the Nosy Neighbor. For sure. For sure. Mmm. Mmm. Okay, honey. I'm gonna post a video of my face. I always do my face and people always ask me. They always tell me I should do tutorials. I don't think it's that good, but it's not a tutorial type video either though. It's not a tutorial type video either, y'all. I'm just sitting there talking shit. So I got thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. This is my first one that I think I'm actually gonna post, and yeah, I had a ball. That ramen was everything. Now I gotta figure out if I'm gonna make this pizza tonight for National Pizza Night. Peace, love, and prosperity. I think I need another closing. I'll work on it. Peace, motherfuckers!